Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove or replace alternator on Hyundai Elantra guys, generation 2011 to 2016-17 model. This is the alternator we're talking about. We have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart. Anything from engine work to interior work, door panels, door speakers, anything you can think of. Also, we have a brand new channel that will be uploading quite a few electrical videos, engine codes, airbag codes. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. Please guys, give a subscribe to both channels and let's start on it now. So we'll remove the engine cover to be out of the way. It has 4 rubber bushings that attach to right here. 1, 2, okay, the 3 and 4. And those, the cover, you just pull it straight out. It might be stuck on there, but grab it with 2 hands and pull it out. As you know, Kia and Hyundai, they use the same parts for most of their vehicles, so most of the parts will be interchangeable. Okay, so as you can see, it has a Hyundai battery, but we need to go ahead and disconnect the battery. Disconnect negative first, positive second. There is a reason behind that, and you can check out the video on our channel. If you don't do it that way, you can burn your car computer off. Okay, make sure the positive is not touching at all. So with a 14mm socket, we're going to get that bolt loose now at first. Okay, just get it a couple revolutions loose. After that, there is one bolt on the side there with a 12mm. We'll need to get that one loose so we can remove the belt. Okay, we need to get the belt loose so we can remove the belt first. We have the video how to install the belt, how to tighten the belt on the channel, so please check it out. And after that, 12mm, and we are going to go ahead. Okay, you're going to go counterclockwise until that belt starts getting loose a lot. Okay, check it out. It needs more so we can pull it out. Okay, perfect. Now, the belt. Okay, we're going to pull it from the water pump first. Okay, that's where it comes off, the water pump. Okay, and then it comes from the alternator. We'll go ahead and disconnect the wiring harness first. Okay, and after that we're going to go ahead and remove the alternator. That's why we needed to disconnect the battery. So on this side you push down on that piece in the middle and pull it out. Okay, now right here, that's a cap. We need to open that cap. Okay, like that. And those are usually with a 12, 13. Okay, in our case it's 12. Hyundai uses 10, 12, 14 and 17mm the most. That nut, careful not to drop it. Okay, this is the charging wire that goes back to the battery. Perfect, it's out. Okay, we'll put the nut on the generator alternator so we can make sure that we don't lose it. All the parts and tools that we use guys will be listed in the description of the video below, so check them out. We'll need to disconnect that wire there that's attached to the alternator, and with the pliers, okay, we'll show you how to remove that one in a second. Okay, those 2 things right here, you need to squeeze them towards each other and pull it out. Okay, it's out of the way now. Okay, next we need to go ahead, okay, and remove the bolt there, that 12mm that we got loose earlier. So we need to go ahead and remove it all the way. And you will get loose. You try to do it by hand, but it's a little bit of a tight fit there. Okay, the bolt got loose now. Right there. Now we need to go ahead and pull the tensioner. Okay, you can see, we'll just pull it to the side like that, make sure you don't lose it. Now we need to go ahead and get that bolt loose on top with a 14mm socket. And you need to get it out of the way. You have to remove it all the way. Okay, and we just found an easier way. You don't have to remove the bolt all the way. Get it loose, a few revolutions. Okay, and then it's going to slide out of here. Grab it with 2 hands. You need to move it up and down a little bit and pull at the same time. Okay, and eventually the alternator, guys, okay, will come out. Okay, you can see just like that. Perfect. So you can see that's how we remove the alternator on a Hyundai Elantra, guys. So let's go ahead and replace it now and show you how to install it. So you get a new alternator now. You need to install your bolt. Okay, we already got it a little bit dirty with our dirty fingers. Just get the bolt tied by hand like that on the alternator. Now tap on it just a little bit so you can spread that bushing a little bit. Otherwise you have a hard time getting in here. When you get the bolt tight, it's going to bring the bushing back. So now it goes only one way, I think. Okay, let's see now. How we will get it in. Okay, perfect. You can see how easy it went in after that. Now we need to go ahead, okay, and install the bolt on the tensioner. So it needs to go through that squarey looking thing and get it tied to the alternator. Don't get it tied yet, just start it by hand because we need to install the belt. And that will be the time to install new serpentine belt as well. So we install the belt. It goes from the crankshaft to the AC, from the AC to the alternator, and the last one it goes on is the water pump. We have the video for the belt replacement on the channel, so please check it out, guys, if you need help with installing the belt. Now we need to get it tight by going clockwise. Okay, you see the belt will start getting tight. You need to have a little bit of slack. Again, we explain it in the belt procedure video. Okay, perfect. Once you get it tight, we need to get that bolt tight there with a 12mm socket now, so that way the alternator will not get loose again. Okay, perfect. And next we'll need to install that, we'll need to get that bolt tied with the 14mm socket. We'll need to connect all the wires, so stay with us to do that as well. Okay, perfect, this one is tight. Now we need to install our 10mm, 12mm nut here with the charging wire. It's important to get it tight because if it gets loose and that cable falls off, it can catch the car on fire. Because that's a positive wire, and if it touches anywhere metal on the car, it will be negative and it will start a fire. Now install the charging wire here. That's the one that controls the charging actually. This is the charging itself. We need to connect the battery now. The positive goes first, get it tight, and after that we will install the negative cable. We have a video how to test alternator and how to see if it's charging, so check it out on the channel, guys. Okay, right there, second one now. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come.